An hour-long lecture often leaves you with pages of frantic scribbling and disconnected equations. This is how that same information looks once it has been processed through the four-step system we are building today. After the response to our last note-taking shortcut, we're doing a deep dive into the specific workflow you requested, moving slowly enough to capture every setting. The process requires four components: your lecture link, a transcript extractor, an AI engine, and a specialized formatting prompt. This setup is entirely free. You don't need to pay for subscriptions or have any background in coding to make it work. The goal is to offload the mechanical task of transcribing so you can spend your time actually reviewing and understanding the lecture content. Start by opening the video you need to study. Copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. To get the text, go to a site like YouTube to transcript. These tools are designed to pull the raw dialogue that's already indexed inside the video file. Drop the link into the search box and click Generate. The tool reveals the video's script, extracting thousands of words of raw data. If you need a different language, select a translation before pulling the text. Select the entire block of generated text and copy it to your clipboard. This raw transcript is currently just a disorganized wall of words. It serves as the data source for the AI engine we're about to configure. Open Google Gemini and paste the transcript into the chat box. Do not submit yet. Look for the plus icon in the bottom corner of the interface. This is the entry point for the advanced formatting tools. Select the Canvas option. This opens a separate workspace on the side of your screen, designed to handle code and structured documents instead of a standard chat response. Now you need the formatting blueprint. Copy the pre-written prompt and upload it to the Telegram channel. Paste that prompt directly below your transcript in the Gemini window. This instruction set tells the AI exactly how to style the headers and bullet points so they look like professional study notes. Before you click Send, make sure your model is set to Flash 3.5. This version is optimized for rendering the Canvas workspace correctly. Setting up this specific environment prevents the AI from giving you another disorganized summary, and instead builds a functional document. When you start the generation, you'll see the AI begin to build the code. It is sorting the transcript into logical blocks and placing them into the HTML framework. Because of the sheer amount of data being processed, the Canvas can occasionally lag or stall. If it stalls, just refresh the page. This usually forces the system to complete the render and display the finished notes. Once the document is ready, you have two ways to save your work. You can download a local file for offline reading or generate a shareable link if you need to send the notes to a teammate or classmate. Exporting the file ensures that your study materials are saved permanently and aren't lost if the chat history is cleared. The final HTML file is fully interactive. It breaks the lecture down by topic and includes a quick tips section for fast review. These notes are also formatted for printing. You can take the digital output and turn it into a physical handout in seconds. The manual process of rewinding a video dozens of times just to catch a single definition is now unnecessary. If we hit 100 likes on this video, I'll show you how to take this a step further by training the system to pull visual diagrams from the video and place them directly into the text. By putting this system in place, you've eliminated the bottleneck of manual note-taking, allowing you to move through new materials significantly faster.